Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Have you tried countless methods but still haven't found success? Well, today I want to introduce you to a game changer, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, also known as the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a state-of-the-art language generation model developed by OpenAI. It has the ability to understand and respond to natural language input, making it the perfect tool for a variety of online money-making opportunities. One way to use ChatGPT is by creating automated chatbots for businesses. As more and more companies move their operations online, the demand for efficient and effective customer service is higher than ever. With ChatGPT, you can easily train a chatbot to handle common customer queries, freeing up time for human employees to focus on more complex tasks. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it for content creation. The model can generate high-quality, unique articles and blog posts at a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. You can then sell this content to websites, businesses, or individuals in need of high-quality written material. ChatGPT can also be used to generate scripts, stories, and even poetry. With the ability to understand and respond to prompts, you can use the model to generate unique and compelling pieces of writing that can be sold to film and television studios, publishing houses, or even as standalone ebooks. There are many other ways to make money with ChatGPT. Here are a few examples. 1. Translation services. ChatGPT can be trained to translate text from one language to another, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals in need of fast and accurate translations. 2. Virtual writing assistant. You can use ChatGPT as a virtual writing assistant to help with tasks such as proofreading, editing, and researching. 3. Email marketing. ChatGPT can help create personalized and effective email campaigns, including automated response and follow-up messages. 4. Social media management. The model can help with creating and scheduling posts on various social media platforms, including monitoring and responding to comments. 5. With its ability to understand natural language and generate text, ChatGPT can help businesses improve their search engine rankings by creating optimized content and meta tags. 6. Lead generation. ChatGPT can help identify and create leads by analyzing data from various sources and generating targeted messages to potential customers. 7. Virtual customer service. The model can be trained to understand customer issues and provide appropriate response. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool, it's important to remember that there are many factors that can impact the success of your business. And as such, there is no guarantee that any particular use of it will generate a profit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new